Hey guys, it's 4J25. This is what I believe, the only known to man video of the P-15 at Lunken Airfield in Hamilton County, Ohio. This was shot in, I believe, 2007. At least that's what it says on the tape. And in this video, my mom was holding the camera. I was 7, and so I'm kind of embarrassed to put this up because I was, all crazy and stuff. But I figured I'd do it anyway. We got the growl, which is going to be starting right in a second. But then we thought that was it, so we turned off the camera, and then it started up in alert mode. And then we started recording, and then we got the whole attack mode wind up. And so this was before we knew about Hamilton County, how they tested their sirens with a growl, alert, and attack. But without further ado, let's get this show on the road.
There it is. I think we're going. I think we're going. Here we go. Wow, this is massive. It's barely turning. Oh my gosh, that was a bummer. That was a bummer.
Well, maybe it's not done yet. What happened?
Maybe this siren doesn't work. But keep watch. I guess they were watching it, because they were just
Yeah. Alright. There it goes.
well, that was the siren. So, Mom, point it toward me. So we think that might be the end of the siren. We don't know, but that was funny. It just went.
Oh God, my face is red right now.
To get you. Quick, moving towards me.
And then, oh my gosh! Oh, let's see what we That is what I call text. chance to do that, okay? So bye. This is our siren day. Better not go off again. Alright, well, you can turn the camera off.
Alright, well, that was it, I guess. I finally chose to put this video out in the public. This video should make its way to YouTube any second now. I'm probably gonna get more siren videos off, more old siren videos off this camera. Yeah, so that was the Lincoln Airfield P-15.